We'll guide you through how to make progress bar in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser so you can begin the setup. When it loads, go to the search bar and type Notion, then press Enter to bring up the results. From the list, click the top web that looks right, which will take you to the official site of Notion. Once the site opens, look at the private section on the left and click the plus button to add a new page. When the new page appears, input the title based on your need so the page is easy to identify later. After that, add a new database by typing /data in the page. When the menu shows up, select Database Inline so the database appears directly in the page layout. Inside the new database, click Add Property to create a new field. Choose number for the first property. Then add one more number property the same way. After both number properties appear, name them based on your needs. For example, you might name them reps and total reps if you want to track progress. Once the names are set, fill the first number with the amount of work you have done so far. This gives the base value for your progress. After that, add a new property again and select Formula so you can build an automatic progress bar. When the Formula property appears, click it and choose Edit Property. Then select Fill Formula to open the formula box. Inside the box, type first number / second number. In the example case, it would be reps/total reps. This formula will divide the two numbers and give a progress value. After the formula is set, go back to Edit Property again. This time, choose Show as in Pick Bar so the result shows up as a progress bar. Now set your total number to the highest number you want to track, and then set the progress number however you like so the bar displays correctly. After that, set the name on the formula property so you know what it represents. If you want to change how the bar displays, click the formula again. Choose Edit Property and then switch the view to percent so the bar shows a percent result instead of a plain bar. Once everything looks right, set your database name at the top so the whole setup is organized. This gives you a simple progress tracker that updates itself and can be changed anytime you want.